Hey everybody, today is Wednesday, the 20th of December, and we had a little bit of selling here today. On Friday, I outlined the possibility that this market, the NASDAQ that is, might break to a new all-time high, and then we would see some selling. And that is exactly what happened here. We had a pretty hard sell-off here this afternoon. We blasted through the anchored volume weighted average price from the Federal Reserve. We're also below the 5-day moving average, which has flattened out, and tomorrow has the possibility of declining. So the message here is just some caution, and the big uptrend is still obviously intact. We've run far, we've run fast, and some pullback breather seems reasonable in this area. Maybe down towards that 400 level tomorrow in the NASDAQ for the SPY. We've got the anchored VWAP from this gap that's just below. And the 20-day moving average is something you want to keep an eye on. That's approximately equal to this prior peak over here with the SPY. So that is, the 460-ish level is if things get really, if they sell off hard. I would think, though, that we would, get maybe some weakness and then some strength and then sell off. So today was a day where a lot of stops were hit. On Friday, I spoke about Fastly, and I got in and out of this one. It was, stopped out here today. Mobileye still hasn't triggered for me. I was looking to buy it maybe above today's high tomorrow. Path is another one that's out of that one as well. Got out of that one actually yesterday. Let's see, Ramp was one we'd spoken about. That one has now undercut this higher low, so that's where I get out of these things. That's all from a swing trader's perspective. Riot is still behaving well, although it's been very choppy, and in 2 days in a row it gapped up and then sold off at the end of the day, so be aware of that. Upwork is another one that UPWK that got stopped out here today. So a lot of stops, like I said, getting hit. The Russell 2000 is also below its anchored VWAP from the Fed and perhaps heading down towards this level. Just be cautious. Honor your stops. When the market tells you it's time to get out, you've got to listen to it for your time frame. As a swing trader, this was a very clear message in here today. Semiconductors breaking through that support and now perhaps coming down into this anchored VWAP. The 20-day moving average is down at about 165. So, somewhere in this range, I would think that is reasonable for this market to decline to in the near term.